Hey, what's going on guys? This is Kedar here. So today I'm going to show you how to download Blender onto your Windows or any other operating system that you have. Now this is the Blender's official website, but I have a very cool little trick. You can install the Blender in just one click, even simpler than blender.com download itself. Without wasting any time, let's get right into it. Into the description I have provided link to the animate.com. Go ahead and locate the animate.com, open it up, you'll find this page. Now head over to the apps. Now here I'm going to install our Blender. So go ahead and click on Blender. Onto the bottom you'll find this download and run your custom installer. And click on get your animate. That's all you need to do guys. Now here you can see guys, our download is complete. Let's open this up. Now animate will automatically download and install the latest version of the Blender, and yeah, that's pretty much it guys. Now you can see the Blender is downloading. So our downloading is complete. Now it will automatically install our Blender and do the initial setup for you. So please be patient over here. And here it is guys, our Blender is successfully installed. Now go ahead and close this. Into the start menu you can see our Blender. So here you can see guys, our Blender is successfully installed and I can do whatever I want. Now hope you enjoyed this tutorial. It was a very simple one-click installation method, even simpler than blender.com download itself. So yeah, hope you enjoyed this video. Please hit that like, share this video, subscribe to my channel, and there's always thanks for watching guys. Peace, goodbye.